Have you ever wondered how you can turn your kitchen scraps into gold? Today, we are going to explore the magical process of composting. It's a wonderful method that reduces waste and enriches our garden soil. This video will guide you step by step through the process. So let's dive into the world of composting, shall we? Firstly, we need to know what we can compost. Not all kitchen scraps are compostable. Our compost pile thrives on green waste like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and brown waste, including dried leaves, paper. Remember, a good compost pile should have a balance of both green and brown materials. Now that we know what to compost, it's time to start the process. Begin by collecting those kitchen scraps. Next, layer these scraps in a compost bin or a designated spot in your garden. Over time, you'll turn this pile every few weeks, allowing air to circulate and speed up decomposition. The waiting game begins then, as our scraps transform into nutrient-rich compost. Patience is key here, as this process can take anywhere from 2 months to a year. So, after patiently waiting, what do we get at the end of this process? Well, we get compost, nature's black gold. An incredible soil booster that not only nourishes plants, but also reduces reliance on chemical fertilizers. So there you have it, a simple way to turn your kitchen scraps into gold for your garden. And that's composting in a nutshell. We've explored what to compost, how to do it, and the golden benefits it yields. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.